Okay, let's talk about a secret weapon for entrepreneurs. We're talking about building your own software, fast.
You know the feeling, right? Trapped by all those monthly fees for tools that don't even fit?
Yeah, those costs stack up fast. We're talking anywhere from 30 to 500 bucks a month.
The old way? You had to hire a super expensive team of developers and then just wait.
Get this. One person spent over $3 million on a dev team and the project completely failed.
But it's not just about the money. Think about the huge opportunities you might be missing right now.
The real secret is finding those gaps in the market. Just like Russell Brunson says, check your competitors.
A killer method is to spot that one piece of content getting like 100 times the normal views.
Okay, so how do you actually build a solution for these gaps if you're, not a coder?
The answer is something called agentic AI. Think of it like a genius employee who works for you 24/7.
Which brings us to the Molly Mahoney method. And honestly, this is a total game changer. She shows how anyone can go from non-technical to software boss in about 60 minutes, for real.
So how's it work? It's actually a pretty simple 4-step framework. You just follow the process.
I mean, just look at the difference here. This is a complete shift in how things get done.
This unlocks a whole new business model. You save a ton of cash and create perfectly fitted tools. And here's the best part. You can actually sell the solutions you build to other people.
So why is this so urgent? Well, it all comes down to a massive competitive gap.
Check this out. Almost all the big Fortune 500 companies are using AI. Small businesses are falling behind.
Yeah, that is not just a gap. That is a huge competitive chasm, and it is getting wider.
So you've got the secret. This method is your bridge across that chasm. The only question is, what will you build?